Hello students, we'll study what is conditional probability in this video. Let us consider that a die is rolled at random. A die is rolled at random, okay, and we have an event P which is set of getting an even number, and Q is an event in which get an odd number. Okay. Now, what is conditional probability? It is very clear that sample space S is what? When your die is rolled at random, a sample space is nothing but getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the numbers which are shown by the upper face of the die. Now, it is very clear that P union Q is equal to S, P intersection Q is phi, and we don't get the probability of intersection mutually exclusive that we can see also. But what is conditional probability? Conditional probability word is basically associated with two events. It says that probability of getting, suppose an event getting an even number given that an odd number has already occurred. Okay, when we represent such a condition, we say that we are dealing with conditional probability. What does it mean? Basically, formulation is probability of P intersection Q divided by P of Q. Okay, then if it is, what is the P intersection? P is nothing but what? Even number 2, 4, 6, and Q is nothing but what? 1, 3, 5. We know that intersection is empty, so probability which is n of P intersection Q upon n of S will be 0, and P of Q, whatsoever may be the value of P of Q, it is carrying 3 favorable outcomes. So we can say that it is 3 upon 6, that is half. Answer is still 0. So such is the meaning of conditional probability. Let us consider with the same example. We have another. In the above example, when a die is rolled, when an unbiased die is rolled at random, let A be the event in which getting a multiple of 2. So we can write 2, 4, 6. Let B be the event in which multi of 2. B be the event in which it is, you can say that it is a multiple of 3. Getting a multiple of 3 like this. Then we get what? B event we will get what? B is nothing but what? 3 and 6. You have been asked to find the probability that you get a multiple of 3 given that a multiple of 2 already occurs. This is the probability. This is the question. Condition probability. We say that this is the condition applied. This is the condition applied. This is also condition applied. Okay. When we say that the condition is applied, then we'll write P of A intersection B divided by P of A. This calculative part, intersection B, how much? A intersection B, there is only one element. Okay, what is A intersection B? It is only one element. Number of elements is 1. So what is the probability of A intersection B? It is 1 divided by sample space is how much? When a die is rolled at random, what is the sample space? It is nothing but 6. So hence P of A intersection B is 1 upon 6 divided by, what is P of A? There are 3 favorable outcomes. 2, 4, 6, multiple of 2. So 3 divided by 6 again. So what is the answer? 1 upon 3. This is the value of conditional probability that B occurs provided A occurs. In the next video, we will see how a conditional probability can be calculated logically just by restricting the sample space. Conditional probability means the original space should be restricted, and then we will see how this directly 1/3 will come. Okay, how without actually going to the original sample space, we move to the next sample space. Okay, with new sample space, and that new sample space is given by the restricted event. I mean to say that the conditional probability deliberately helps us to understand that this restriction which is given in the question, it is given event, okay, provided this occurs. So that particular event becomes the actual sample space out of which we have to pick up the favorable outcome of our B. Okay, that is what is called as conditional probability. Conditional probability in simple terms means calculating the probability of an event coming out of a restricted sample space out of the original sample space. Is that clear? I hope you understand in the next video. Thank you, students.